Hey y'all, so today I'll be reviewing this hair from Slove Hair. They sent me over this 4x4 HD lace transparent wig, 180% density and 16 inches, and it is body, well, it looked like body wave to me, but it says straight, so I don't know. So as y'all can see, they sent over a lot of little goodies, including a wig cap that I absolutely love because we can always use wig caps. But going ahead and get into the unboxing, and this is what the hair looks like straight out of the bag. As y'all can see, it's wavy, so I'm pretty sure it was body wave. They said straight, but it's clearly body wave. But that's what the inside looks like. For caps, no lace in the back, which I really appreciate. No elastic band, but this is what it looks like pre-plucked. It's pretty cute, honestly. I really didn't have to pluck that much, which is great. And then also you can look at the lace. That's HD lace. That's what it looks like when it's cut. So y'all, when I tell y'all, this wig blends like flawlessly. Like one of the best laces I've received in like a long time. Okay, so getting into the hair, Slove Hair has been a wigs company since 2010. They have their own factory, high-speed shipping, real hair, so 100% human hair, no fake, okay. But they also have this new technology that they use that this is like literally only theirs. No other company does this, but they have this breathing hairs, which basically means that the hair is like your own. So basically, they use this unique technology that you can use high temperatures on the hair. It literally takes oil very well, so you don't have to worry about no dry, crusty hair. It's always going to look hydrated. They also do not use any chemical treatment on the hair at all during any of the process, which is 100% amazing because you never want chemically treated hair, because if you ever try to like do, let's say, color or something on it, it's never going to come out how you want to because it has chemicals in it, which is going to, you know, mess with the hair color and all that good stuff. But yes, so honestly, this hair, they say it's supposed to be the most high quality, lightest, and softest hair. I can attest to that. I like this hair. I think it's super flowy. I think it's super soft. It doesn't tangle. Minimal shedding, if any. Holds curl really well. Like when I say the hair is like super soft, like this is one of the softest hairs I've ever had. But aside from the hair, my favorite part was honestly the lace, because this lace, this HD lace, like usually companies be capping saying they got HD lace and it don't even be HD. Look at me talking too fast, but yeah, they be capping saying they got HD lace, and then when you put it on, like it don't even blend. But when I tell you this was giving scalp, honey, yes, this was definitely giving scalp. So I'll give them a round of applause for this lace, because this is honestly one of my favorite laces that I've had to date. But I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch this little install. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below about the company, about the hair, about the install, anything like that. And then I will catch you guys at the end for my final thoughts.
Never understand the things that we want. Why do you keep coming back? I want love, you don't. No. So why are you here? Yeah. I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is at. The past, don't wanna complicate things. Maybe if I asked, was any of it real? Was it real? my heart says I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do.
Okay, so my thoughts on this hair are I absolutely love the hair. The wig cap is a little, I mean, the wig is a little too small for me. But besides that, I absolutely love it. I think this would be a great everyday wake up and go wig. You can slap this on and it's definitely gonna blend in with your skin. You definitely do not need glue, so that's a good thing. But yes, I absolutely love this wig. I highly recommend it. But I will catch you guys next time. Bye.